Now this figure 19-18 illustrates combination loads on a feeder. Now notice in the illustration we have a panel board sub-panel load listed here, 65.6 amps continuous load. In accordance with Article 100, we figure any load that could operate for 3 hours or more is continuous duty by the definition outlined there. And then we have 3 units. Unit 1 is 33 amps, condenser motor 2.5. If you look at Unit 2, then we have 27 amps and 2.5. The third unit is 21 and 2.5. Now, from this information, we can size the feeder circuit conductors in accordance with 440.34 and 215.2A1A in the NEC, and we're going to use THWN copper conductors. So with this information given, we will proceed to do the calculation next.